Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you that if you mess up all the charts and you're not sure where the heck are you in the charts and you just want to reset it to the original point. So how we can reset the chart altogether? It's a very simple way. Just right click here and click on reset the chart view, or otherwise you can use the keyboard shortcut of alternate plus R, and this should take you to the original point. But now, as you can see here, that I have changed the candle colors, I have put some indicators. So if you want to reset it all together from scratch, what you can do is just go to the top right corner right here and just click here. And under the template, you can just change it to, you can just go on the bottom on the template and click on apply defaults and click OK. So here is the default view with the default candle styles. Now, as you can see, the candle colors are set to default and all the settings are clear, but still I have some drawings here. I have some indicators on. So if you want to completely reset that, you have the delete option right here in the corner on the left hand side. So just click on this arrow sign right here and you can remove all the three indicators, remove two drawings and three indicators, however you want. So if you have messed up all, and you have lots of drawings and indicators turned on, you can just remove all at once, and this is how you can do it. So guys, this was a pretty straightforward video. If you want to learn more about TradingView, amazing tips and techniques, how you can use the indicators, how you can use the stock screeners, you can subscribe to our channel and check the playlist link in the description which explains them all, and I'll see you in the next one.